Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using only one ingredient to make this hair treatment that will help in thickening your hair if you have a weak hair or you have hair loss issue. So keep watching to see how I make this amazing clove hairspray. Once you've traveled the world, all this. So the only ingredient you're going to be using is clove. Clove is actually a spice, but over the years, people have been using it for hair treatment because of its amazing benefits. So the first thing you're going to need is your pot. Then I'm going to add my water. Add as much as water you need depending on the quantity of the spray you want. So I'm making it for 3 people, so I'm going to be adding a lot of water. Allow the water to boil for a few minutes. Once my water has boiled for a few minutes, I'm going to be adding my clove into the boiling water. Feel that, yeah, you're up in space, you're inside the noise, I can feel. And I'm going to be stirring it so that it's all mixed together. I'm going to allow it to boil on a low heat for 15 minutes. So I'm going to briefly explain to you guys the benefit of using clove on your hair. Clove contains vitamin C and K. It treats dandruffs. It reduces hair fall. So if you're having issue with hair fall, hair loss, alopecia, using clove in your regimen will definitely improve on that. It also helps to promote hair growth. It helps with thickening hair. So if you have a thin hair, applying clove to your hair would definitely help as well. It also reduces scalp inflammation. So if you have itchy scalp, dandruff, applying clove spray directly to your scalp help dramatically. Once the spray is ready, you would know because the color will be a dark brown color, dark brown goldish color. This is how it looks after 15 minutes on a low heat and 1 hour of cooling down. So can you see the color? The color is kind of brown, goldish color. This is how you know that your clove spray is ready to be used. So now I'm just going to strain it. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. After straining it, this is what it looks like. As you can see, its color is brown / goldish color. Now I'm going to add it into my spray bottle. So this is how it looks like. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply this clove hairspray to your hair. I'm going to be spraying it on my daughter's hair. My daughter's hair is dirty. A wash day is tomorrow. So please do not apply this clove hairspray on a dirty hair. Make sure your hair is washed before applying it to your hair because you are leaving it in. Okay, so make sure your hair is washed. I'm only applying it on my daughter's hair just for the purpose of this video, to show you guys how to apply it on your hair. If you noticed, I'm only applying it to a scalp because your scalp is where your hair grows from, right? That's where you want to target. Okay, so apply it to your scalp, then you massage it. After massaging it, then you can apply it to the rest of your hair. Okay, you definitely need to apply it to your scalp because that's where our hair grow from, and you want your scalp to be healthy. Once your scalp is healthy, you will have a healthy hair. After you finish applying to the rest of the hair, you're going to use any oil of your choice to lock in the clove benefit. Okay, so I'm going to be using coconut oil to lock in all the benefit. You can use any oil of your choice, but for me, I'm using coconut oil for today. If you're still watching to this moment and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so, and also put on your post notification so that you don't miss my future upload. And thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.